Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we'll walk you through installing the Google Chrome browser on Linux Mint. To get started, open your existing web browser and head over to the official Google Chrome download page. Once there, download the deb package for Google Chrome. Next, simply open your terminal to confirm that the package has been downloaded. It should be in the Downloads directory. Now, use the sudo apt command to install the package. When the installation is finished, exit the terminal and use the Start menu to search for and launch the Google Chrome browser. You can also check the Chrome version. To keep Chrome up to date, ensure that your system regularly installs updates by running sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Thank you for watching.